my name is Miss Dana, and today we are going to be learning about eating the rainbow. What do you think that means, eating the rainbow? You ever heard that term before? Not these kinds of rainbow colors. I'm talking about fruits and veggies, whole foods. Foods that make us smart, strong, and healthy. Today, we are making a rainbow salad. That means we're making a salad with all the different colors of the rainbow. I bet you're wondering why I'm telling you about eating the rainbow. Well, for starters, rainbows are amazing. They're beautiful, filled with different colors. And when we eat foods that are different colors, that means we're getting a diversity of different minerals, vitamins, and nutrients that are good for our bodies. So if we're eating different colors, it means we're eating different vitamins. And that is a tip for how we can stay healthy, strong, and smart. As I show you how to make a rainbow salad, I'd love for you to work along with me by making a rainbow food color wheel. You'll need a blank piece of paper, some crayons, colors, red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and brown. The first thing you'll do is draw a huge circle that fills up the entire page. Write a title at the top that says, "My Rainbow Food Color Wheel." Next, we're going to draw a line through the center of our circle, just like this. Then we're going to draw an X through the center. Down one way, up the other. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sections in our rainbow food color wheel. The first food we're going to add to our salad is lettuce. What color is the lettuce? That's right, it's green. And green foods are good for our bones and our teeth, as well as strengthening our immune systems. That means getting fewer colds. Can you think of any other green foods? Now it's your turn to do some work. Get out your green crayon and write the word green in one section. G-R-E-E-N spells green. And green foods help our bones and teeth in particular. So let's draw a bone just outside of our color wheel to help us remember that green foods are good for our bones. And then inside, let's fill it in with all the different green foods that we can think of. I'm going to start us off by drawing a kiwi. I love kiwis. What other green foods can you add to your color wheel? You can pause the video now and work on the green section. The next food we're going to add is blueberries. What color are the blueberries? That's an easy one. They're blue. Blue foods are good for our brains. They help keep our memory in tip-top shape. We couldn't read a book or do math without them. Can you think of any other blue or purple foods? Now it's your turn to do some work in your rainbow color wheel. Now, get out your blue crayon and write the word blue in the next section. B-L-U-E spells blue. And remember, blue foods are good for our brains. So let's draw a brain on the outside of our blue section of our color wheel. Then add any other blue foods that you can think of. I'll start us off with a blueberry. You can pause your video now and add any other blue or purple foods to this section. The next food we're going to add is a beet. What color is the beet? That's right, you're getting the hang of this. It is red, and red foods are good for our hearts and our blood. That's called the cardiovascular system. Good trick for remembering this is that our blood is also red. Can you think of any other red foods? Add them to your color wheel. Now get out your red crayon and write red in the next section. R-E-D spells red. And red foods are especially good for our hearts. So let's draw a heart just outside the red section. And I'm going to draw a watermelon to get us started with our first red foods. Now you can pause the video and add any other red foods that you can think of. The next food we're going to add is a carrot. What color is the carrot? That's right, it's orange. Orange foods are good for our eyes, and they also prevent us from getting sick. Can you think of any more orange foods? Add them to your color wheel. Now find your orange crayon and write the word orange. O-R-A-N-G-E spells orange. And orange foods are especially good for our eyes. So let's draw an eye next to our orange section. And I'm going to draw an orange. Now you can pause your video and add any other orange foods that you can think of. The next food we're going to add is a bell pepper. What color is this bell pepper? That's right, it's yellow. And yellow foods are good for our eyes, our skin, our hearts, our digestion, and they prevent us from getting sick. Now that's multitasking. Can you think of any other yellow foods? Now it's your turn to do some work and add them to your color wheel. Now get out your yellow color and let's write yellow. Y-E-L-L-O-W spells yellow. And yellow foods are good for our skin, our eyes, our heart, and our digestion. So let's just draw a whole body because yellow foods are great for our whole bodies. And now I'm going to add, I think I'll add a banana. Can you think of any other yellow foods that you would like to add? Now's the time to pause your video and keep adding to your color wheel. The last food we're going to add to our salads is sunflower seeds. What color are the sunflower seeds? That's right, they are brown. And brown foods are important for our digestive system, keeping our hearts healthy, and preventing us from getting sick. Can you think of any brown or white foods that you might eat? Now it's your turn to add them to your color wheel. Last but not least, get out your brown crayon and write brown in the last section. B-R-O-W-N spells brown. And brown foods are good for our digestion, which takes place in our stomachs. So let's draw an arrow pointing to the stomach so that we remember that brown foods are good for our digestion. I'm going to draw an almond as my first brown food. What other brown foods can you think of? Wow, great work! We made a rainbow salad, and I bet you made an amazing rainbow food color wheel too. Feel free to send us photos of your work. Now let's have a look at our salad. Let's review the colors in rainbow order. We've got our red beets, our orange carrots, our yellow bell pepper, our green lettuce, our blue blueberries, and our brown sunflower seeds. That sure is a rainbow salad. Do you think you could make a rainbow salad? Give it a try. Maybe a rainbow meal? Now I have a pop quiz for you. I'm going to show you a few different images, and I want you to decide which meal is eating the rainbow. Which meal do you think is eating the rainbow? A or B? I'll give you a few seconds to think about it. That's right, it's A. Great job. How about this one? Which salad is eating the rainbow? A or B? What do you think? That's right. B is the correct answer. Look at all those colors in that salad. How about this one? Which meal is eating the rainbow? A or B? You got it again. The correct answer is A. Those tacos are full of colorful whole foods. Great job at identifying all the meals that count as eating the rainbow. And now I challenge you to try counting the colors on your plates in every meal this week, and try to add one more color to your plate each time. I hope you enjoyed learning about why it's important to eat the rainbow and eat foods that are all different colors. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.